Hello and good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So this is a very beautiful morning. Some people might not take it as a good morning, but bees still is around. I see some bees flying around right here.
Welcome to our channel, Into It Travellers. We're Hugo and Siobhan, a married couple that have returned to van life after 25 years. We've raised our kids, we're selling our house that we built in Jamaica, and we're now ready to downsize, lessen responsibility and be more spontaneous to life. We bought ourselves a little 18-year-old micro camping car, made a few modifications and have now made our way across to Europe, and we will be following our hearts in our little freedom vehicle to see where we'll end up next. Please join us on our journey and look forward to sharing some really good content with you.
We're actually on the river. Yeah. Oh no, what I meant by river? Canal. We're on this canal right here. Walking along the canal. Yeah. So, what do you call these now? Barge? What would you call them, Siobhan?
Barges, definitely. Yeah. Canal boats.
River boat.
River boats. Yeah. I mean, it leads into the River Mead.
River, this is canal.
Yeah, but it leads into the river.
Yeah, of course it leads into river, but this is, the canal is what? One of the main water.
It's a route, it's a water route.
Yeah, from in the ancient time. So this usually,
yeah, it would transport everything, people, cargo.
yeah, before proper road, this used to be the main cargo transportation things. Yeah. In those, what you don't say, 1800 or even long before then.
Not sure the dates. Yeah, these are just kind of like the water versions of what we do. We're just we're in our car.
That's a good point there.
Yeah.
Good point. So people are, some of them anyway, people are living in some of these things here. What are you showing me?
No, the wheelbarrow on top, like it's like their shopping cart and solar.
And I can actually smell people cooking. Oh, I smell good. I don't know what they will be cooking. So.
Curry.
A curry? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Curry what though? Yeah, so what to say was equivalent of our.
Well, this is boat life and we van life. Yeah, so they just, where we park up, they moor up. So I just read a sign saying
Park up, moor up.
the winter mooring is from November through to February. Look, it's here. It says like,
oh, you know,
these moorings will be used for winter permits holder between the 1st of November and the 28th.
Oh.
Yeah, so people have to pay.
Yeah.
You have to pay for your permit to what they call boat version is moor your boat. And yeah, I mean, some just look like they've been living in here for their life.
And them look like them have moved for a long time too.
Some of them don't, yeah.
Some of them move, don't want to intrude in the people passing by window.
It's nice to see a lot when they've got their solar panels.
Yeah.
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 Like, look at this one. This kind of like is obviously like they've got their little garden on top, their herb garden. They've got lavender and thyme. They've got their bicycles, shopping carts, spare tire.
Solar. Oh,
the
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, they're
solar panel. Yeah. So. Yeah, it's nice and full joy in this day. Although people might think, say, look at the sky, look at the sky, yeah. But it's still nice.
It is.
Yeah, yeah. So, and there's one moving. So this is the lifestyle to be free walk in, be free, and not stressing about work. This what this one? This one.
Like a luxury one.
Yeah, this one is nice. That I mean, people face is, and not everybody want to go on the camera.
We saw a little cat in a little basket in a little hanging, in its little hanging bed by the window. Casually just, used to the lifestyle, but it's lovely. And then you've got all the buildings that overlook the canal. This is becoming more and more popular and really expensive to get like a flat or even an office space that overlooks.
So how far would you say we are from where we used to live in Newton Green for start anyway, and that is Islington, that is N16 area, like anyway.
Well, it just said on the signpost right there that it's 6 miles to Paddington, which is central London, central West London.
Why I'm saying that there, because of this old canal here, we could walk all the way right back down there.
Well, to Camden. Well, yeah, you can walk through the whole. You can do a canal route through the whole of London, can't you? And outside of London, up north.
I'm not sure if it's all the way up to Birmingham. If he said that be all the way to Birmingham, because that would be the second biggest city we are guessing. If you know anything better.
We are guessing. This is new canal life. Although about 25 years ago, I did really want to explore living in one of these boats.
And it was my idea at all, because I didn't like that idea, because mine was mostly in a sunshine thing anyway, where I think about in the winter time it was very cold.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I don't know if you ever see any of these canal ice up. I'm not sure, You ever see it ice up though?
No, but I haven't been around them for that long to see them myself. But I think for me, the reason of wanting to, inquire into it was just it's another lifestyle of freedom, isn't it?
Yeah, is that
That's all. That's what it was.
Yeah.
It wasn't necessarily I really want to live on a boat, but it was just having that sense of freedom. The places, but everything that we're doing now.
The next thing why I didn't interest in that whole idea is because of you have those gates.
The dams.
Yeah, you have to pull, and every so it won't be too. Maybe we might even come across one just down there. I'm just guessing. Anyway, which if you want a sail, nice, comfortable ride, you have to get out, especially if it's cold, and hop in those barges. Not one, but two. Because you have to open the first one. I don't remember how it works. If we go down there and see one.
No, you open it up and then you lock yourself in, so it's like a box, a boat box, and then it fills up with water to let you out. So it really is kind of like simple.
They empty the other side, right?
Mechanical design.
And it's slowly.
You have to do a lot of winding, that's what you're saying. You've got a lot of round and round.
Well, it's a part of fitness, but I didn't really into those ideas.
Not in the cold.
Yeah.
But I think it is a really lovely, you're not going to get the road rage, you're not going to get traffic, although you do get barge jams. Where did we say? I think it was on Happy Days. Remember there was that queue to get in, that had to actually wait quite a while for the boats to go through, for them to be able to go through. So.
But as you can see down here, it's quite quiet and nice, And imagine though, think some mischievous people walking sometime and come knock on the window.
Of course. They get the knock, in van life they call it the knock. Where you can be parked up and then you hear knock, 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 and it could be anything from the authorities to a neighbour or,
Yeah.
But I'm sure they get mischievous.
People drunk and people walking along the canal way, and
But it is lovely. It really is. I mean, and it's overcast and gloomy today. But I've got a hat on and I'm wrapped up, but that's because I don't like to feel cold. So I'd rather strip layers off than be cold. But it's really comfortable and it's really nice to just
talking about that, every time I come out and do a small little walk since I've been here, I just have to strip off the jacket. Maybe by the time I'm going back, you know, I might have to start strip off the back jacket. Something just captured my eye just now. And I'm looking at that over there. That's a dry land barge. You maybe can see it. So they put it on and
make it a feature.
Yeah. I think people...
Yeah, and let's see how long that lasts about him stripping off his jacket. Even the other day when we went for a walk, I mean, I was slightly overdressed, but yeah, it was sunshiny weather. But we'll see.
No, yeah, the thing here now. Siobhan telling me to put on more layer. And I said, no, because I know when I start to walk, I'm gonna get hot. And as I reach out and walk just about a quarter mile, I have to actually strip off this jacket. Imagine, and this is a light jacket. It's a lightweight jacket, this one here. You know, so it may be not pleasant, what would you call this month here, this season? Autumn. Yeah. Very pleasant autumn.
Yeah, so far, since we've been back from Europe, it's actually been, well, we had one cold day. We've had one cold day actually, haven't we? That we actually felt
yes.
that we actually felt it was the coldest day, but actually it's been really mild. And for me, that's been such a lovely, pleasant welcoming. But I think, yeah.
So imagine you buy one of these buildings overlooking. I'm not talking about a skyscraper, but a waterway, right? Because water is a calming, you know, well, it keep me calm anyway whenever, you know. That's the next thing now what I just remember. When we are in Europe, whenever we are searching somewhere to go, Siobhan always seem to type out some water there, but most of these places usually crowded by people. I don't know, after a while I just get kind of fed up of going to any of these waterways, because
everybody's drawn to it. And especially in, you know, like in the summer season, of course, like us humans are drawn to water. Well, I mean, it's a place of reflection and calmness and movement. Yeah. But all of these new buildings, it's crazy the amount of building that's going on.
And one thing I like about spring and autumn, look at these trees now.
Colours.
Yeah, the color, you said the right word. Anyway, yeah, they are lovely to look at. Anyway, and I will tell you the truth, majority of people who be walking or running along here, maybe in a good spirit, a good energy. They're not sitting down bored in their flat or house or wherever them lodge, you know. You know, because they want to make a better in their life, walking, talking, running, you know. Like majority of people we have seen so far along here, it's not many, but everyone have a smile or hello to us. Yeah. Starting off that, I start to open my jacket now. Yeah, because I'm starting feeling a little warm, you know. Maybe I might even take off the jacket and hand it to Siobhan to walk. Yeah.
Can hear road.
Actually, seems like we are crossing the North Circular.
Oh. Did you ever know that water runs across these bridges? This is the first. Oh my gosh, there we go.
And that's the North Circular down there.
That could be the other option today, to be in that.
So, that is Angle Lane up there. Yeah, that is Angle Lane up there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And went through. Went there.
No, I don't. What a lot of traffic now. I sure say maybe about this time yesterday we was coming here. We did not experience that amount of traffic. Sometime if you walk into the forest or the park or along here, this is what? Blueberry?
Blackberries.
Or blackberry. Yeah. So you can snack if you want. These are the sweets of the street anyway, natural sweets anyway, you know. Walking back now, and there's a North Circle down there, so now the question is, how did they do this? How did they get the canal above the road, or how they get the road underneath the canal? So the question is,
What came first?
no, anyway, I'm back against the sun. My jacket's off. I'm feeling very hot again, you know. Well, maybe it's the lax. The lax is my insulated thing in the winter.
Do you know which one's the male duck? Do you know which one the male duck is?
No. You know?
Yeah.
Which
The male
one?
duck is the green-headed one, and the female is the brown one.
Wow.
Yeah, you know, a little bit of like,
Duck light, yeah.
yeah, duck.
Where did you say that? Over the Dockland?
Just a ducky guess.
I guess. You don't really know then.
It is.
I think you didn't really know. You maybe are telling pure and truth.
No, I'm not crackers, you know. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Yeah, this is the experience of London. You know, stay tuned for upcoming videos. How do you say that?
I think what we're deciding what to do, really, isn't it? And where to go.
No. We are planning to do England, Scotland, and in Great Britain then.
Yeah.
Or the
But I'm
United
saying
Kingdom.
like whether we go down south first or go up north first. So I think that's what we've got to decide.
My idea is to go up north first because it's gonna get colder and snow.
Yeah.
And I'm not dreading the snow, but driving into the snow. That is my dreadest thing because I don't like the ice block. The car might have a little slide and skid out of control.
Black ice.
Black ice. Anyway, what did I say?
Ice.
Well,
Anyway, same thing. But yeah, no, and I really, really want to go to Scotland. I've been wanting to go to Scotland for the longest time. So yeah, it's best that we probably do it sooner than rather. You do not want to be up there like January, February, especially. They're the coldest months in England, Scotland, aren't they? The winter's really set in. So yeah, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share,
And
comment, give me your thought on what you have seen so far, and I feel say we might just end the video here until next time, although my face is against the darkness. So